असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमय.
Now exercise 4.1 problem number 4. Look at the question. Simplify and give reasons for these 6 questions. We have to simplify these 6 questions here. Look at the first one. 4 power 0 plus 5 power minus 1 into 5 square into 1 by 3. We have to simplify first one. Look at here. 4 power 0 plus 5 power minus 1 into 5 square into 1 by 3 is the given question, right? So we have one formula, a power 0 equals to 1, as well as a power minus m is equals to 1 by a power m. Okay, the use of these two formulas, this we can write 4 power is nothing but here it is 1 plus 5 power minus 1 nothing but 1 by 5 into 5 square into 1 by 3 as it is, isn't it? Right, next take the cross multiplication. 5 into 1, 5 plus 1 into 1, 1 by 5 as it is, or we can write one more step here. So I am going to write one more step here. 5 into 1 plus 1 into 1 by 1 into 5 equals to 5 square into 1 by 3, isn't it? Next 5 into 1 5 plus 1 into 1 1 by 5 into 5 square into 1 by 3. Okay, so 5 plus 1 6 by 5 into 5 square into 1 by 3. Here 3 ones are 3 twos are 5 ones are 1 5 cut here. What is the remaining? 2 into 1 more 5 is remaining here. Okay, or else we can write here it is. So write down as it is. This we can write 2 by 5 into 5 into 5. Okay, this 5 gets cancelled. 2 into 5, 10 is the answer. Shall we check once again? 6 by 5 into 5 square into 1 by 3. Is it clear? Yes. 5 cancel, 1 5 is remaining, and 2 and 3 gets cancelled. Okay, 10 is the answer. Okay, right. Next we go for problem number 2. What is the second question? Second question, 1 by 2 whole power minus 3 into 1 by 4 whole power minus 3 into 1 by 5 whole power minus 3. Okay, right. Here we have a power m into b power m is equals to ab power whole power m. We have this formula, so I am going to apply. This is for these three, nothing but a power n in m into b power m into c power m. We can write a b c whole power m, isn't it? Can you write like this? Yes, we can write. So here a is 1 by 2, b is 1 by 4, c is 1 by 5, and m is nothing but minus 3. Okay, right. So I am going to apply this formula here. We can write 1 by 2 into 1 by 4 into 1 by 5 whole power minus 3. So write down here a is equals to 1 by 2, b is equals to 1 by 4, c is equals to 1 by 5, and m is equals to minus 3 we have. Okay, isn't it? So we have replace the values with the use of this formula. Okay, what it becomes? 1 into 1 into 1 by 2 into 4 into 5 whole power minus 3 as it is. Okay, so what becomes? 1 into 1 into 1, 1 by 2 4s are 8, 8 5s are 40 whole power minus 3. Okay, next we have one more formula, a power a by b whole power m is equals to a power m by b power m. This formula we have. With that formula, this becomes 1 power minus 3 by 40 power minus 3, isn't it? Yes. So what we can write is, this becomes here 1 power 1 cube by 1 power 40 cube, isn't it? Which formula it is? So a power minus m is equals to 1 by a power m formula I have used here. With this formula, this becomes like this, and this becomes here 1 by 1 into 40 cube by 1, nothing but here it is 40 cube is the answer. 40 cube is the final answer. Shall we check once again? Here it is. Right. Right on. So what is the answer finally? We got here 40 cube. Okay. Now I am going to erase this. Next, problem number 3. Two power minus 1 plus 3 power minus 1 plus 4 power minus 1 into 3 by 4 it is. Okay. Right. Next. So we have a power minus m is equals to 1 by a power m formula. With the use of this formula, I am going to convert this 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 4 we can write into 3 by 4 as it is. Now we have to add these 3 fractions. So 2 comma 3 comma 4. So LCM of 2 comma 3 comma 4 is nothing but, we get here 2 ones are 3 as it is, 2 twos are 3 ones are 2 as it is. Next 2 ones are 2 3 are 6, 6 twos are 18, 2 3 are 6, 6 twos are 12. Okay. 12 is the 18. So in 2 table 12 comes at 6 times. Okay. That 6 into numerator 1 plus in 3 table 12 comes at 4 times. That 4 into this 1 plus in 4 table 12 comes at 3 times. That 3 into numerator 1 into 3 by 4 as it is. 6 into 1 6 plus 4 into 1 4 plus 3 into 1 3 by 12 into 3 by 4. Okay, this is 4. 6 plus 4 10, 10 plus 2 10 plus 3 13 by 12 into 3 by 4. Here 3 ones are 3 fours are. What becomes 13 by 4 into 1 by 4. This is nothing but 13 into 1 by 4 into 4. This is a 4. Okay, nothing but 13 by 16 is the final answer. Okay, right. Pause the video, write down the notes. Next we go for problem number 4. What is the question? Fourth one. 3 power minus 2 by 3 into 3 power 0 minus 3 power minus 1. Okay. So we have a power 0 equals to 1 formula, as well as a power minus m is equals to, we can write 1 by a power m. Okay. So with these two formulas, I am going to convert these. 3 power minus 2 we can write 1 by 3 power 2 into 3 already is there into this becomes 1 with this formula. Minus 3 power minus 1 nothing but 1 by 3. Did you get this step? Yes. So 1 by 3 square into 3 nothing but it becomes 3 cube. Or else we can write one more step. What is the formula? A power m into a power n is equals to a power m plus n. The use of this formula, we can write this 2 plus 1 into, take the cross multiplication, 3 into 1 minus this 1 into 1 by 1 into 3. So this becomes 3 power 3 into 3 minus 1 by 3. This is nothing but 1 by 3 cube into 2 by 3 nothing but this becomes 1 into 2 by 3 cube into 3. Again by using this formula it becomes 2 by 3 power 4. 3 power 4 is nothing but 2 by 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Okay. So 2 by, it is nothing but 3 3 is 9, 3 9 3 is 27, 27 3 is 81 is the answer. What is that? 2 by 81 is the final answer. Okay, right. So all these, in all these formulas I am writing lengthy solution. It is for our clarification to get detailed idea about the formulas as well as steps. Okay, right. The understanding is important. Fifth one, 1 plus 2 power minus 1 plus 3 power minus 1 plus 4 power 0. This is the given question. Yes, we have same formula, a power minus m is equals, we can write a power m, 1 by a power m, and a power 0 we can write 1. The use of these two formula, this will be 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 plus 1. Okay, so bring this one here, 1 plus 1, 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3. So here it becomes 2. Take the cross multiplication between these two. 3 into 1 plus 2 into 1 by 2 into 3, and 2 plus 3 plus 2 by 6. Did you get this? I have written clearly here. 2 plus 5 by 6 it is. So take the cross multiplication again. 2 into 6 plus 1 into 5 by 1 into 6, nothing but 2 into 6, 12 plus 1 into 5, 5 as it is by 6. Okay, nothing but 17 by 6 is the answer. Okay, so I am giving lengthy solutions, but it gives very clarity. Okay, right. Next, last one in this question. Sixth one. Three by 2 whole power minus 2 whole power 2. Okay, right. So a power m whole power n we can write a power mn, isn't it? The use of this formula, it becomes 3 by 2 whole power minus 2 into 2. This is nothing but 3 by 2 whole power minus 4, isn't it? And we have a power a by b whole power minus m is equals to b by a whole power m. the use of this formula, I am going to convert this 2 by 3 whole power 4. Okay, right, this is the simplification. We can end here, or we can write this. So no need to use this formula. Its answer ends here, but I am giving one more method here. This 3 by 2 power minus 4, nothing but we shall use here a power minus this formula here. So no need. A power minus m is equals to 1 by a power m. This formula, this we can write 1 by 3 by 2 whole power 4. Okay, nothing but, so 1 by 3 power 4, 2 power 4, it becomes 1 by 3 power 4 into 2 power 4, 2 power 4 by 3 power 4. Okay, this we can write again 2 by 3 whole power 4. Okay, this takes in these steps. Okay, that's why I have used directly formula here. Okay, right. Just write down these only. What is the formula we have used here? A by b whole power minus m is equals to b by a power m. Okay, this formula I have used to simplify this. Right, write down. This completes the problem number 4.